Well, morning. Not exactly harvest weather today. Drizzled last night. Making a little dust on the road though this morning. And it is 56 degrees and cloudy. We'll see if we get cutting today. I think we will. Especially if it didn't shower up the combines. So.
Hi, I'm Tony Fast's daughter.
I'm Tony Fast's daughter.
I'm Tony Fast's daughter. Our family has been blessed to farm in Montana
For over 100 years now.
And it wouldn't be possible without the great team we have
and blessings from our Savior,
Jesus Christ.
I gotta go meet a hail adjuster. We had hail in the canola, I think it was July 12th. And they always wanted to regrow. Whatever, I don't buy hail insurance for it to regrow. I want hail insurance when it's adjusted, when it happens.
Alright, well today's the day. We are going to put the Rodono XTend to work. We actually had this set up yesterday. By the time we got that truck full, I just came, switched trucks, took the teal truck to the field, left this one loaded overnight, but then we thought it was gonna rain. So we took it down real quick. It was supposed to rain, heavy winds, all that fun stuff. So I don't think we got 3/10 of rain. That was forecasted. Get this set back up and give it a try. Try to get all of that hopper and all of that hopper without moving the truck. Cool. Give it a shot. And there we have mustard in a bin.
Yeah, this got hit pretty good. Like over 90% hail damage on that. Most of that we can't even get back or even stripped off, so shouldn't be able to walk through this right now as green as it is, but really got beat up. The corn on the pivot north of here literally were stubble. It got so beat up. So now basically we got to figure out how many plants, how many branches are gone, how many pods, all that fun stuff. So this is satellite imagery of this field 8 days after the storm. You can tell where that hail hit and took all the vegetation out. So we're right here. And it looks quite a bit better. They're still broken over. Lots of stuff to load a combine down there. But hanging in there. And there's a mad bird up there. Should I be concerned? So, still pretty high percentage of loss here. But there is some nice pods that came in later. But yeah, pretty crazy. What is that thing? Be a hawk. Well, back in the combine. It's kind of nice to have a little bit of a slower morning. Just got cutting around 1 o'clock today instead of at 8, 9 and we can normally go earlier. The bees are so dry because it's hot and whatever. But cutting mustard now. Dad kind of got a bunch of stuff caught up on service. Got the windows clean for one, big plus. I mean, you can actually see the mustard in there now. Going back and forth again, almost got this field wrapped up. Just a few more passes on the top there, so. Yeah, here we go. Well, we moved on to a new field here. This is a test plot field. I just cut the line between two different varieties, and now I'm turned around and heading back west on the new variety. We got the orange, and the rest of our fields is all Andante yellow mustard, and the variety on the blue on the map here would be the ACC Yellow 80 is what it's called. It's supposed to be a hybrid sort of deal, not like a hybridized traded seed, but more of a, I think they've got some more genetics built into this seed that helps the yield. So Dad's gonna back on the last pass on the Andante. I'm on the Yellow 80 now, full header width. On your field view here, you can do current hybrid average yield, and the Andante ran 10.9, I believe, for that variety, and now we are 11.3 on this new one. We'll see. Go all the way across the field, get an average on both hybrids. I believe they're talking like a 10% yield bump, so we could get there. Well, my turn to run the cart. So let's see. We're gonna go unload. We're gonna unfold, double click the remote. Hydraulics constant flow running. Up goes the auger. So we're ready when we pull up to the truck. So right hand auger on this Elmer's demo cart we got for the season. It is different than most carts. They usually come out with the auger on the other side, which some people like that better just because it's not ever going to interfere with the auger on the combine being on this side. You load front to back, kind of how we load the trucks anyways at the bins, but there's some benefit to this. Visibility, obviously we're looking out this side, our controls are all over here. On the tractor, visibility of the truck where you're coming up towards the, when you're finished loading, to see the truck driver at the end. You know, we're gonna pull up here, give the thumbs up to the truck driver when we're full. Has some useful things for that. No one's gonna sneak into the field and pull up behind me when the trucks are facing out. So has a lot of nice features. For sure would buy an Elmer's right-hand cart after just everyone who's ran it really likes it. There we go. 17,000 pounds unloaded, and we are ready to move on out of here. With the automatic folding and everything, we're just going to double click the fold button. Auger's going to fold itself. You don't have to worry about it being in the way of the combines, augers, and all that kind of stuff. So nice little benefit when you're using the right hand augers to have all that take care of itself for you. Just double click once we pull away from the truck and we're good. So this mustard looks quite similar to canola. The pods are shorter, and with all the heat we've had lately, the last 2 weeks have been probably an average of 90 to 95 degree highs. You can see it to my thumb is all the further that one filled. So we probably would have 20 bushel canola here had our weather cooperated, but that's the way it goes. We had plenty of moisture early, and it just kind of ran out of what it needed when it got hot. So I think look at the grasshoppers jumping. They're definitely bad in pockets. They're not bad everywhere.
I don't think we have a wind anymore. Seems a little dusty. It's really hanging in there. It actually makes turning around kind of hard. Can't see that side of your header over there. Tony had a couple things to do real quick, so he switched me out, and then apparently he really likes the Elmer's grain cart. I don't know, he's still running it. I'm still running his combine.
Test plot's done. Half a bushel, the percent of moisture difference, roughly.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching, but don't forget, farm hard, pray harder. See you next video.